Want to know how to enable or disable Workspace in Snyk? Well, no worries. So you can just enable or disable your organization's Workspace easily just by doing this simple 2 or 3 clicks. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, what you need to do is you need to just simply open up your Snyk application or the interface. Just simply hit towards app.snyk.io and you should be right here on the website. And on the left side you should be seeing this small menu popping up. Just simply hover on it and here you should be seeing right below members settings. So now once you have selected settings, here you should be seeing your settings popping up, and now you can just simply scroll down and make sure you are under general as well, under integrations. So once you have selected that, here you should be seeing workspaces. So you can just simply enable or disable it by selecting enable or disable just like this right here. Now it should auto save your setting, or you can just simply reload to double check it. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.